Hey guys, I'm Shara from the blog and YouTube channel Woodshop Diaries, and today I want to talk to you about this Vigoro Perlite Soil Amendment. Now you'll notice here that I've got both Vigoro Perlite and Vermiculite with me, and it's a common misconception that these two are the same thing. And while they share several similarities, like they're both lightweight, similar in texture, and they're both used for aeration in the soil, they do have a few key differences that it's important to note. So let's focus on Perlite for this video.
Perlite is a lightweight organic soil amendment that can be used to improve drainage and aeration in potting mixes. Perlite is harder than Vermiculite, is white in color, and is made out of mined volcanic rock. Perlite encourages strong root development by helping to prevent soil compaction. Perlite can be used on its own, mixed with soil, or even mixed with both soil and Vermiculite to reap the benefits of both. To put it simply, adding perlite to soil is almost like adding some air and water pockets, allowing roots to spread out and grow easier. It keeps the soil from packing together, allowing the water and nutrients to make their way through to the roots when applied. And while perlite is porous and absorbent, it doesn't retain as much moisture for as long as Vermiculite, making it a better choice for use with plants that need good drainage like citrus and cacti. And while a great additive for indoor and outdoor potted plants to help with drainage and aeration, perlite is also a useful addition to raised gardens to promote quick and strong root growth. Mixing or layering perlite in a raised bed will prevent soil compaction and allow roots to better access nutrients or plant food that you feed them. Vigoro Perlite Soil Amendment is also registered with the Organic Materials Review Institute for earth-friendly gardening. So invigorate your plants, garden, and lawn with Vigoro's Perlite Soil Amendment, available from the Home Depot.